When it comes to my myelin, I strive to do whatever it takes to save it. Ramazan sent me an email asking if alpha lipoic acid is good for MS patients. It's very good for us and our myelin. I take 1,200 milligrams every morning. So why do I say it's very good? Hey, it's Dave. First, I'll talk about the scientific reasoning. One of the biggest papers I found on the subject reports on ALA's effects in EAE in mice. I know, we're not mice, but this is the closest and safest way we can study its effects. Because EAE is a very similar inflammatory disease that strikes many different things with MS. They found daily oral administration of ALA significantly prevents EAE progression as compared to the control mice. They also found a reduction of CNS infiltrating T cells and macrophages, as well as decreased demyelination. When the immune system launches the attack, oxidative stress becomes one of the main drivers of the disease. Oxidative stress is a type of cellular damage that results from an imbalance between the production and clearance of potentially harmful oxidant molecules. Now, alpha lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant. It's able to eliminate those harmful reactive molecules that build up in MS, preventing them from causing oxidative stress. It's also been shown that it lowers several markers in inflammation and reduces the number of inflammatory immune cells that migrate into the brain and spinal cord. So, all around, it prevents a lot. As a result, it helps lessen the immune attack that drives MS, and it helps alleviate some MS symptoms. Now, I find it very hard to comment about its effects on oxidative stress simply because I structure my entire life around fighting oxidative stress and inflammation. Regardless though, I take 1,200 milligrams of alpha lipoic acid every morning. And it seems to be working out for me. I feel great. Are you taking alpha lipoic acid? Are you seeing any benefits? Have I clued you in? And maybe you'll want to start taking it yourself? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.